Find all the employees, the name of the employee whose salary has been increased by at least 10% between 1999 and 2000. Okay, so
Percy.
How many people have tried connecting the school's database, Oracle, and nobody else tried? Because I realized I started working on it, I realized that the string in the manual is not correct, and nobody gave me any feedback that it's not working. So when you are using tunneling, you have to put the, when you are listening on port 1521, and you are tunneling on the same port to moat.bridgeport.edu, you have to use localhost as the host of the database. I'll talk about this string and what's the string definition between for the connection strings. But interestingly, nobody is using. Are you interested in like how many people are planning to use the school's database? How many people want to install Oracle Express on their computer? You install Oracle Express, right? You install Oracle Express. Okay, good. Nobody wants to use this system? Because, okay.
We have like dependent on internet. If you say like
which database we have to use like I mean like we have MySQL, SQL Server and Oracle.
Oh, okay. I'll go over everything, not everything. MySQL, SQL Server, and Oracle. Okay.
And I mean there'll be like syntax differences.
Yes. For example, I told that I should work with GUI more. Okay. So GUI is much more easier for students to work and also maybe more practical. Then that's why I do.
For mid-exam, like if you say which database you have to use, like
mid-exam definitely MySQL and everything will be query, text queries.
okay, like if for midterm it will be in my
Yeah. For the midterm, you have to be able to write any query, create any view, create any table, alter any table, drop any table. Everything on your MySQL instance. You know, whatever we taught in the class, all the lectures, you have to be working with this.
Is it going to be paper-based?
No, I told you that it's partially paper-based, partially computer-based. Whoever has a laptop, you can sit in the lab or here. I will have projectors, and you will get half of the grade in the class in the exam, the computer-based part, and the rest will be graded at home. Okay, so how many people finished the query?
What did you say?
The query is find employees. Their salaries has been increased at least by 10% from 1999 to 2000. The name of the employees whose salary has been increased by 10% at least from 2009 to 1999 to 2000.
So you have a table, right? So this was a question that we asked us. We have to just keep this, if you have to send this one along to me,
This one is fine. Or you want the okay, got it, yeah. The old one, okay.
Okay, so what you should do? How many tables do you need?
2 tables.
Which tables are you? Okay, so for the salary table, what are you supposed to do?
check.
Join of the same table. Okay, and then in one of the tables you'll find out what is the salary of people in 99, and in the other table, yes, people, and then so the query will be okay, the first part will be the query will have the salaries. The two dates is 1999. Okay. December, because I guess the deadline is Christmas 2000, Christmas 1999. Okay, and then the second will be the same table where the where clause is from date. Should be changed. Yeah. So I'm gonna write this over here. So start working on this. You know, you have 5 minutes to solve this.
So what we need is we need the salary from this table, right?
This is an example of subquery.
So he's given the entire
So
query is taken.
you have to write 2 queries. The first query, the second. We start from the tail of the query. We start from the end of the question, where we are specifying the condition that we want to select employees. Okay. The part between 2 parentheses, you see, this is a subquery I wrote to select the people who got raised on Christmas Day of 1999 by more than 10%. Okay, how this query is written? I'm just selecting employee number from salaries S1, salaries S2. I'm multiplying 2 salaries table to each other. Okay, then joining on what? On employee number. On the employee number, I'm joining it. Okay, and I'm also interested in the S1, which is the records from the first table, which is showing the salary until 99/12/25, Christmas Day of 99. And then for the 2 date, after that, on the same day, they get another increase, which means that from that day, they get a new salary, okay? And then salary of table S2 salary should be more than 10% of S1 salary, which means that S2 salary divided by S1 salary should be more than 1.1. Okay, this is all of the employees that get raised on Christmas Day of 1999. Okay, the result will be 3 people. You can see up there the result is over there. Okay, the result is just 3 employee number. And then what we are doing is we are using in this subquery. This is called subquery, to extract the name of those people, those happy people, okay? The subquery will be used in this way. We are selecting the last name from the employees. Employees are casted as E, and then where the employee number is in this set, then these people will be shown.
Should be 1% into that, right? This query should work. There is a small mistake, something small. That is right. That's what he's using join. Didn't do this query. Same thing. Only 2 data here. And that will be same
Okay.
as everybody.
If you're not able to solve this problem, then you have to work hard for the midterm exam. You get my point? If you are not solving this problem, you have to work.
This query is right. I know it down, deep down, I know this query is right. Why am I not getting out? Okay. Let's just be calm, okay? So now, this is going to give us 1.1% of 1999 data.
Okay, find the salary of all of the people from the sales department in 1999. This is very simple. Find the salaries of people from the sales department in 1999.
Sales department. Just go to department.
Now, it's ladies' turn. Ladies should be ready. Like their ladies should be ready. They should solve this problem. Department names are equal to sales, and department number is equal to department number in department employee, and the join is happening on the E and A based on the employee number. It's a natural join again, and again it's a natural join between employee and salaries based on the employee number, and then the year should be either less than 1999 or bigger than 2000, bigger than or equal to 1999. You use year function. You know year function, because year function is okay. Okay. So now list the total number of the salaries they pay for each department in 1999. The total number of the salaries they paid for each department in 1999.
Department wise or?
Department wise. Department wise. Okay. You write down this. You have to write this answer. It's very easy. You got 90% of the answer over here. You're done? Did you write it down? Want to turn off?
I can go to department M. Go to department M if you don't mind, please.
I don't mind.
Find
Okay, so I
the
can use department.
amount of the money we are paying for each department in
Department
1999.
No, I don't even need department table for 5%. I just need department M table.
Staff, the title should be staff. The title should be a staff. In the employees, in the development department. I'm showing you the schema. The schema is very obvious. You have the title over here in table titles. Okay? This is the foreign key. Employee number is a foreign key. Reference to employees. Okay?
You should display the last name.
So the title should be staff, then the rest will be joining. Joining on what? Sales department. In order to find the employees of the sales department, you have to join their employee and also their department, okay? How many tables do we need?
2 days.
How many? 3 or 4. Titles.
The titles employees.
Title employees.
Department
Department and department
employees.
employees. Department employees. Find all of the employees in the sales area of the employees with the title of staff in the development department. Development department. You see development. We have a development department over here.
problem is I need a schema. Tough job. Title schema. Why you just joined on? You can just do it like employee number is there in this. Join as well. DE
The year of the promotion, the year of the changing the title should be 1999. The title should be staff. We need last name from employees table. Okay. There are four tables to be joined. Department employee, employees and title.
and the construction tender.
And title.
This is what happens when you do something without even understanding.
Who got the answer? How many people got the answer?
Okay.
The same answer?
139.
Merging this with this.
139?
I find that
Probably.
employee was staff.
I deleted someone. I
Okay,
deleted
for
someone.
position.
I ran it delete quick.
Yeah.
Probably I have to change my questions.
With the title.
But the number should be the same.
Yeah, almost 139.
Almost.
What it's trying to say is the salaries data, how to find the date then from to this time, right?
The answer is you're selecting. We don't need these two columns because I just put those columns to show the answer to you.
I think T dot from date process, from staff, like from right.
No, they changed and they.
T dot from titles to date should be
If it becomes staff,
1999.
it will be from right,
And?
like from to date.
And the
From
title is staff.
1999 to
Okay,
some
but I
2003.
know what I did. You know what I did is actually this development should be here. Because it's divided based on the development. And there is no department
From
ID.
to
You should have told me that there is no department ID, this department number.
Or you mean
Oh, from process, not to date.
Almost
Because,
correct, just
two
for
is
the
ending
year
date.
I should have added.
In the
Okay, you-
year
Other
he
things.
retired, I mean like.
Right.
He,
no? They had this title, then they changed the title to some of the titles. They promoted or demoted in 1999. They changed the title in 1999. They were a staff.
you asked for like who got promoted to staff in 1990.
Okay. So if it was two staff, then it should be 2 days. Now that it should from that date. For example, you were staff and you were promoted to be manager. I will promote you. Definitely.
What This time I got it
So
right, just for
if the answer, if I meant that 2,
or I should have changed the department number.
the answer should be 2.
Fine. I think this is easier than my subqueries. But
Okay, this is the answer.
Which
Uh,
data should be saved.
We are looking for last name of the people from departments, department employee, employees as a E, titles as a T. All of them should be joined. First of all, department name should be development, and department number will be the first foreign key used to join department B and department employee. And then after that, employee number is used as a key to join table A and E. And finally, table E and T are joined. And this condition, the demotion or promotion from from this title of staff should happen in 1999, and then the title should be staff at that time. So, okay, clear? Okay, now calculate the total of salaries of these people. Calculate the total of the salaries of these people. We will not give this class on this. You write the quick.